So this is the Kumara Parvata trekking trail, which is in Karnataka and which is also very well known as the one of the difficult trek in Karnataka. We are doing this for the very first time, and after like a 5 to 6 time of cancellations, we are doing this Kumara Parvata trekking. It's not so easy till now. It is going good, but one more important thing that you have to notice, it's very strict about the plastic. Whatever you carry, even the tablets, everything will be taken into count. And while you go down, when you go down, descend completely, when you finish your trek, you have to give the exact number of a count to them, or else you will be penalized for that. And it will be like a 500 rupees per item, if I'm not wrong, or per person. I missed that fine amount, but it's very strict. They'll check the entire bag, nook and corner of the bag. In my bag, they found almost like a 60 plastic items. The major was my tablets. And from next time, I have to reduce these things. And what is your count, Vijay?
Just 1919.
Yes. And the person behind us, right? So he got the least number of a count. He got only just 6. Just 6, including the water bottle. So
The champion is on
the champion is with us, Keshav. So, Aita,
Yeah.
every travel, let it be trekking or biking or whatever it is, it teaches some or the other thing. So this trek has taught me to think in a better way and to avoid carrying the plastics. So this time the plastic is not with a cover, it was with my tablets. So I should, and also it taught me that I should understand and I should know about myself. And ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Don't take tablets unnecessarily. Even though it was not unnecessary, it is very important for me because I'm doing this trek in my menstruation cycle, which gives me very terrible pain, and it's really not so easy for me, especially for me. I'm trying for the first time, I'm trying this the trekking during my menstruation cycle. It's not so easy. Even though it's my second or third day, I'm feeling really strenuous. I know I should not take these kind of harsh decisions, but sometimes we have to understand, and we have to understand our body, whether our body will accustom for these new things and stuff. Because of that, I tried. So the one thing that I understood is strengthen my body, strengthen the stamina, most importantly increase the stamina, and avoid the medicines. So my plastic count in the check post will become less from the next time. So this is what I wanted to share.